welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Do you have one of these Spa controllers? These are a good little controller and they're lasting people many years, but they're quite old now. I've just swapped one of these over that was playing up. Actually, quite a bit of equipment got swapped out here. There's a couple of brand new XP pumps. Have a look at the link up above to see why I put that brand in. But these SpaNet controllers, I'm really very happy with them. You can get 2 boost pumps and a circ pump and an ozone and a blower all onto this SV Mini. So if you've got a controller that's playing up, then this is the switchover one. I'm Mark from Nillumbik Pool and Spa Service, as well as Mark's Reviews and Tutorials, so I do sell these. If you're in Australia or New Zealand, we can get them to you. Have a look for the link in the description. Have a look at the touchpad. It's a really nice touchpad. As you can see up the top line there, 2 boost pumps and a blower and ozone all drive off there, and a nice modern touchpad. Really well made. It strikes me as this one's well put together, and the controller is very robust as well. You can see that you can get to the plugs to plug in your boost pumps and so forth from the front. Those ones are a little bit messy, got some tape on them and so forth, but the controller itself is really nice. Very happy with it. Over the back there, you'll see the heater is separate on these guys, and that's a different colored unit. But when you buy the replacement pack, if you do the whole lot, it comes with a heater, it comes with a controller, and it comes with a touchpad. The old oval touchpad that goes with that controller is no longer available. You can get another touchpad which is compatible, but if you do that, it's not then compatible when you switch out if you need the controller as well. So you got to weigh it all up. My recommendation, certainly if you've got 2 of your components out, be it the heater, the controller, or the touchpad, and even if it's one, you've got to choose, because they're not too bad in price, these. But if you've got a SpaNet system, this is the way to go, and this is the unit to get to switch them out. So as I said, I sell all the SpaNet gear, be it a new heater if you need it. If you do have a problem with your heater or a problem with a sensor, take the top off your heater and have a look, because there is a bit of a problem where you get corrosion in the top of them, and that needs then a new heater. You can get the heater again made to suit the old system, or you can get a heater made to suit the new system. They're not the same, unfortunately. But I have all those parts, I have all the pumps and all the SpaNet gear you might need, blowers, the whole lot. So yeah, have a look at the link in the description. Nillumbik Pool and Spa Service, and we sell at good prices, ship all over Australia and New Zealand, and we're able to help you out. Okay, hope this helps you as you're working on your spa.